Do you have a 2007 to a 2014 Cadillac Escalade? Well, I just traded up to a 2008 Cadillac Escalade ESV with a 6.2 Vortex engine in it. If you have one of these years, you probably want to check out my channel. In there, I will show you tons of repairs that you can do yourself with very little tools. It'll save you tons of money than rather you going to the dealership to have the work done. Just click up on the right-hand corner and it'll take you to my playlist. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. Believe it or not, this really helps me to continue making these repair videos. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Well, if you remember, I showed you how to do your oil change on your Escalade and save big money. If you didn't see the video, click above on the right hand corner and it'll take you there. Well, after you change your oil, you're going to want to reset your oil monitor. And trust me, this is really easy to do. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is get in your car. What you're going to do is you're going to take your key and turn your key twice. Like you're going to start your car, but don't start it. Just turn the key on twice and your dash light should come up. Okay, next we're going to go to the Driver's Information Center, or DCI. If you look to the right of your steering wheel on the dashboard, you'll see these 4 buttons. Currently right now mine is set at the trip fuel display. That's this button right here where the red arrow's at. Where we want to go is to the vehicle information screen, and that's the next button down, right where the red arrow's at. You're going to press the button a few times, and what that's going to do is you're going to make your screen scroll. And what you want to do is keep pressing the button until you get this screen here. So as you can see here, the oil monitor is telling me I have about 50% life left on my oil. Since I bought this car, I'm not sure if this is true, so I went ahead and changed my oil anyway. So now I'm going to reset the monitor. Now again, we're going to set it back to 100%, meaning that you have 100% life on your oil. Now, as you're driving, as the percentages go downward, the monitor is going to tell you when it's time to change your oil. It'll say something like, you need to change your oil soon. Now, what this means, it just doesn't mean that you should change your oil. You should check everything else. Refer to your owner's manual. You'll probably have to change your air filter, check all your fluids, and so on. So if you do get that message, make sure you check everything else. Okay, so let's move forward. So in order for you to reset the oil monitor, it's very easy. All you got to do is go back to your DCI, and at the very bottom you'll see a button with a check on it. You're going to press that button, you're going to hold it down to 3 to 5 seconds. Once you press that down, your monitor will reset to 100%. Once you've done that, turn your key off and it's reset. It's that simple. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.